Hello everybody. This is going to be a quick tutorial for one of my favorite sound effects, Multiband Compressor. Multiband Compressor is an awesome sound mixing tool that basically can really awesomely tweak your audio. So for example, let's throw on the Multiband Compressor by going to your effects window, type in Multiband, and you can just type in multi and only two things will come up. So Multiband Compressor, and then drop it on to your audio. Now, for example, this audio right here was recorded in the microphone I am speaking in right now. So the audio you hear right now has not been cleaned with this effect yet. After I show you what to do, then I will show you the difference between the original raw audio and the cleaned audio. Once you put your effect onto your clip, you're going to go up to Effects Controls, go to Multiband Compressor, and click Edit. And that is going to open up your Multiband Compressor window. In the presets, you have all these awesome presets. One of my favorite is walkie-talkie because it makes you sound like you're on a walkie-talkie. That one's a lot of fun. But you can play around in here. But for those of you who are doing the interviews, or you just want to talk in the camera, and you just want your vocal audio to sound better, here's what I'm going to suggest. Go to your presets, click on Broadcast, then go down to the limiter area, and under release, you're going to change from 500 to 250. And on attack, you're going to change it to 1. Once the effect, you want the effect to attack very quickly. So as soon as it starts to hear a sound, it's going to attack, and that's going to cause your audio to go into this preset immediately. And the release, we kind of want it to release a little bit slower, but quicker than 500. So we want it to leave, the effect should be gone when the audio leaves. Okay, so now here's the difference in sound between original audio and Multiband Compressor. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. Now that you have the Multiband Compressor on your audio clip, you can tweak things to make it sound better, just play around in here, or you can try another preset, but all your presets are going to change your sliders here in different ways. And again, the one I like the most is Broadcast, set at 250 for release, 100. And this is a great place to start any audio because it's going to warm up your audio and make it sound more like this as opposed to this. So good luck. That was Multiband Compressor.